Hello, welcome to our channel Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. In the last video, we have discussed about the polynomial in detail about what is polynomial, types of polynomial, and zeros of polynomial, and relationship between coefficient and zeros of polynomial. In this video, we are going to learn the important 30 important MCQs on polynomials for KARNATAKA and CTET and CET purpose. So let us, without wasting the time, so we are going to solve the what today 30 important MCQs on polynomials. And that first one, the quadratic polynomial whose sum is here quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is what 3, that is alpha plus beta is equal to what, sum of 0 is what, alpha plus beta is equal to 3, and the product of zeros, and product of 0 is denoted by what, alpha into beta is equal to what, -2. Yes, he is asking the what here, the quadratic polynomial whose sum is given and product is given here. So we know that the formation of quadratic polynomial, x square minus into the bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This is the what, the formation of quadratic polynomial. Here the alpha plus beta is what here 3, and alpha into beta is what here -2. Replace alpha plus beta, that is sum of the zeros, x square minus, in the place of alpha plus beta is what 3, this x as it is, plus alpha into beta is what, -2, this plus into minus is what, this plus into minus is what, minus, that is -2. See the option, is there any option x square minus 3x -2? Option D is correct here. Option D is the right answer. So in the second problem, if x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cube plus ax square plus 2bx plus 1, then find the values of a and b. So what is the given here? X plus 1 is the what, factor of this cubic polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 2bx plus 1. Then find the values of a and b. Find the values of a and b, and given that 2a minus 3b is equal to what, 4. 2a minus 3b is equal to what, 4. If x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial, see the solution here. If x plus 1 is a factor of p of x is equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus 2bx plus 1, then p of minus 1 is equal to what? P of minus 1 is equal to what? 0. P of minus 1 is what? 0. Therefore, P of minus 1 is equal to, put the value of x is what? 1 in the polynomial, -1 in the polynomial, that is 2 into x cube is what? -1 cube plus a into -1 square plus 2b in the place of x is what? -1 plus 1, that is p of minus 1 is replaced by what? 0 here, because p of minus 1 is equal to what? 0. Yes, that is 0 is equal to -1 cube is what? -1, -1 into 2 is what? That is 2 into -1 plus a, -1 square means what? 1, plus into this minus, plus into minus, minus 2b into 1, 2b plus 1, that is 0 is equal to 2 into -1 is what? -2. A into 1 is what? A minus 2b plus 1. So here a minus 2b, I am writing this equation in this manner. A minus 2b is equal to minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 goes to the what? Right side, it will become what? Plus 1. Call this as equation 1. A minus 2b. And one more equation is given to you here already. That is what? 2a minus 3b is equal to what? 4. And this equation 2a minus 3b is equal to 4 is equation 2. 3b is equal to 4, equation 2. Solving these equation. So these are the what? Two equation, linear equation in two variable, that is a and b and a and b. Use elimination method or substitution method. Solve for a and solve for b. You will get the answer. That is, I will do that also here. I will rub this part because I don't have a space for solving this one. So I will solve these two equation and find the value of what? A and b here. Wait a minute. Hope you guys are getting the things. So by using elimination method, we are going to solve these two equations. That is 2 into multiply 2 into this, and the coefficient of this 2 we are using here, and coefficient of a is what here? 1. That is 1 into this. So that 2 into a is what? 2a. 2 2s are 4b. 2 1s are 2. Multiplying with 2 throughout this equation, that is 2 into a, 2a, 2 2s are 4b, 2 1s are 2. 1 into 2, 2a. 1 into 3, 3b. 1 into 4, 4. Elimination we are using. This is what? Minus. Minus will become what? Plus. This minus. 2a plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 means what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into b is what? Minus b. 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 2. Both side minus is there. Minus get cancelled. B is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. Put b is equal to 2 in equation 1. Put b is equal to 2 in equation 1. That is from 1. What is 1 over? A minus 2b is equal to 1. Then a is equal to 2. Put the value of b here. That is 2 is equal to 1. A 2 2s is what? 4. 1. Then a is equal to minus 4 goes to the right side. It will become what? Plus 4. A is equal to 1 plus 4. That is a is equal to what? 5. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2. Is there any option? Option C is correct. A is equal to 5. B is equal to 2. So in this manner we have to do the what? Fast calculation in the examination, because we don't have that much of time to solve this lengthy method. Directly you have to find by fast doing calculation. So here in this video I'm going very slow so that you will get the what? Clear concept of this problem. So write down the next goes to the what? Third problem. Yes, next come to the what? The number of zeros of the polynomial. The number of zeros of the zeros that the polynomial f of x is equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 4 can have. So take f of x is equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 4 and use a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2, a means what here? X, b means what here? 2 plus 2 square plus 4. Now x square, 2 2s are 4. This x as it is. 2 square means what? 4 plus 4, 8. See here, the highest power of this polynomial is 2, so that it can have 2 zeros of the polynomial. Here highest power in the terms of the polynomial is what? 2, so that its zeros highest power is what here? 2. So it has a 2 zeros of polynomial. Option B is correct. And question number 4. The zeros of the polynomial 4x square minus 12x plus 9 are. Factorize this equation, that is polynomial 4x square minus 12x plus 9. We have to split the middle term here. If you multiply 4 9s are 36, 36x square. If you multiply, you must get the what 36. If you add or subtract the two terms, you will get the what this middle term, that is minus 12. So what is the what are the factors? What are the factors here? 6 6 so this 4x square minus 6x minus 6x. So here minus into minus plus 6x into 6x 36x square, then minus 6x is what minus 12x. This is middle term. So write here 4x square in the place of middle term, minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Take common 2x, here 2x minus 3, 2x into 2x 4x square, 2x into 3 6x minus, again here 3 is common, that is 2x minus 3, minus into minus plus 9, here 3 3s are 9. So 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 are the what here? The same factors, that is 2x minus 3 in both the cases and 2x minus 3. These are the what? This is common here, and what is remaining here? This 2x and minus 3. Then 2x is equal to 3. Here is also what? 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to what? 3 by 2. And x is equal to what? 3 by 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Then question number 5. If p of x is a polynomial of at least degree 1 and p of k is equal to 0, then k is known as z. See here, it is a direct question. If p of x is a polynomial of at least degree 1, and p of k is equal to what? 0. If you get the what p of k is equal to 0, then k is known as what? 0 of the polynomial p of x. Option B is correct. 0 of the polynomial p of x. Now question number 6. If p of x is equal to ax plus b, then the 0 of the p of x. It's very easy. P of x is equal to ax plus b. Here this is plus b. We have to take here minus b. Is there any term? Minus b by a. Put x is equal to what? Minus b by a. That is option 4. For this value, that is p of minus b by a is equal to a into minus b by a plus b. A cancel, minus b plus b is what? 0. You are getting the what? P of minus b by a is what? 0. That is option D is correct. The 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to ax plus b is what? Minus b by a. Option D is correct. Question number 7. The graph of the quadratic polynomial. The graph of the quadratic polynomial is a always parabola. Always parabola. Parabola means in this manner. This and in this manner. Yes. This is what the parabola. Yes. Next. Zeros of polynomial can be determined graphically. Number of zeros of the polynomial is equal to the number of points where the graph of the polynomial. See here, zeros of polynomial can be determined graphically. Number of zeros of polynomial is equal to the number of points where the graph of the polynomial intersects the what? X-axis. Option B is correct. If the graph is intersect on the x-axis, then the point of intersection is called zeros of the polynomial, as we did in the what? As we have already learned in the what? Theoretical concept in the last video. Yes. Question number 9. If a graph of polynomial does not intersect the x-axis. Here, if the graph of the polynomial does not intersect the x-axis but intersects the what? Y-axis in one point, then the 0 of the polynomial is equal to the 0 of the polynomial is what? 0 itself here. 0 of the polynomial is what? 0, because it cuts the what? Y-axis. Yes, a polynomial of degree, a polynomial, next question, a polynomial of degree n has at most n zeros. If it has 1 degree, 1 zero of the polynomial. If it has a 2, at most 2 zeros of the polynomial. If it has degree 3, at most 3 zeros of polynomial, we can say. If it has a n degree, then it at most have what, n zeros, we can say. Question number 11. If p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then cy is equal to. So here we already know that the sum of the 0 alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Then alpha into beta is equal to what, c by a. This alpha into beta is called product of zeros. Option D is correct. The product of the zeros is what, c by a. That is, c by is equal to the what, product of zeros. If p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then minus b by a is equal to the what, sum of the zeros. Sum of zeros is what, sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is, sum of 0 is what, minus b by a. Next comes to the what, if p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c, and a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then 1 0 of the polynomial, he's asking the what, 1 0, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 0 here. First of all, take this one, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Solve for b, that is b is equal to what, minus, b is equal to a goes to the what, right side, it will become what, minus c is also what, minus c. Now take this equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A x square as it is plus b, what is the value of b here, sorry, in the place of b is what, use this value. In the place of this b, we have to use this value, that is minus b minus c, minus a minus c, and this x is as it is, plus c is equal to 0. That is ax square plus into minus minus ax plus into minus minus c minus cx plus c is equal to 0. Now grouping the two terms here, ax is common, x remains minus 1. Here minus c is common, x minus 1 equal to what, 0. Now ax minus c is equal to 0, and x minus 1 is what, common here, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now ax is equal to c, x is equal to what, c by a, and x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to what, 1. See here, is there any option? That is c by is option is there here, and option B is correct. The 0 of the polynomial is what, option B, that is c by a. Here is also same, it is also what, same type of the problem. If p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and a plus c is equal to what, b here, then one of the 0 is, you take again this one, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, take this one and equate to 0, ax square plus, in the place of b, use this value a plus c, that is b is equal to what, a plus c. This x as it is and this plus c as it is, ax square plus a into x, ax, plus c into x, cx, plus c equal to what, 0. Now again by grouping this term and this term, what is the common here, ax is common, x plus 1 plus c is common here, x plus 1 equal to 0. Now ax, this one, x plus 1 is what common here. What is remaining here? Ax plus c. Ax plus c is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus c by a. And x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? Minus 1. See the options. Is there any value for this x is equal to n and for this x is equal to? So come to the what option here? X is equal to minus c by a. Option C is correct. Option C is correct here. Next one. A quadratic polynomial whose 1 0 is 6. Whose 1 0 is what? 6. And sum of the zeros is what? 0. And sum of the 0 is what? 0. So here sum of the zeros means what? Alpha plus beta is equal to what? 0. And 1 0 is what? Alpha. Take alpha. This is what? 1 0, that is alpha is equal to 6. Now 6 plus beta is equal to 0. Now beta is equal to what? 0 minus 6. Now beta is equal to what? Minus 6. The number when we add to 6 will give us to what? 0 is what? Minus 6. So the factors of this, so this one value is what here? 6 1 0, and another is what here? Minus 6. Now what I am doing here? X minus 6 into x plus 6, because 1 is what? Plus 6. For plus 6 we have to write minus 6, and for plus 6 it is what? Minus 6. Now a minus b into a plus b, x square minus b square means what? 36. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Here once again, a quadratic polynomial whose 1 0 is 6, that is alpha. We are taking the what? That 1 0 is alpha is equal to 6, and the sum of the zeros is what? Zeros. That is sum of the 0 is denoted by alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Replace this alpha by this 6. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0. That is 6 plus beta is equal to 0. Now beta is equal to 0 minus 6. Now beta is equal to what? 0 minus 6 means what? Minus 6, since one root is what here? Minus 6. One is what? Plus 6. Here he is asking what here? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. We are taking these two value. We are using what? X minus 6 and x plus 6. That is x minus 6, x plus 6. That is a minus b into a plus b. A square means what? X square. 6 square means what? 36. So option B is correct. The maximum number of zeros. The maximum number of zeros that a polynomial of degree 4 can have. If the degree is 4, then 4 zeros. If degree is 3, 3 zeros. If degree is 4, 2 0. If degree is 1, that is 1 0. The graph of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x minus 2 is a straight line which intersect the x-axis at exactly one point, namely. So the graph of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x minus 2 is a what? Straight line. It is a straight line which intersect the x-axis at exactly one point, that is namely, sorry, that is, take this one, 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now 3x is equal to what? 2. X is equal to what? 2 by 3. So he is asking the what? It is a straight line and x-axis. It intersects the what? X-axis means exactly one point, that is namely. So this is the point. It cuts the what? X-axis, that is 2 by 3. So this 2 by 3 is a positive, this one, and it cuts the what? X-axis means y coordinate will be 0. So that option C is correct for this one. The graph of the polynomial. The graph of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is an upward parabola. Is an upward means in this manner. This is what? Upward parabola. If it is upward parabola, then if the value of a is what? The highest power term containing the variable is what? Greater than 0. That is a is greater than 0. So option is, this is a direct question. So if it is upward parabola, the value of a is greater than 0. If it is downward, in the next question, the graph of the polynomial ax square bx plus c is a downward parabola, then the value of the a is what? Less than 0. If it is upward, greater than 0. If it is downward, less than 0. Next question, a polynomial of degree 3, a polynomial of degree 3. If the degree is 3, then it is what? Cubic polynomial. If degree is 1, that is linear polynomial. If degree is 2, that is quadratic polynomial. If degree is 4, biquadratic polynomial. Remember this one, as I told in the theoretical concept in the last video. Next, question number 21. If alpha plus beta, alpha, gamma, alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial ax square, bx square plus cx plus d, then alpha, beta plus beta, gamma plus alpha, gamma. Then the sum of the product of two terms taken at a time, that is alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma is equal to what? That is minus b by a, I think. This we have done in the theoretical concept. That is alpha plus beta is, sorry, that is c by a. Option C is correct. That is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to what? C by a. Sum of the two zeros, product of two zeros is what? C by a. Now question number 22, dividend is equal to, this question is based on the division algorithm. Division algorithm. Yes, division algorithm. That is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. If the sum of the zeros of the polynomial, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3k x square plus 4x minus 5 is 6, then find the value of k. Sum of the zero means what here? Of the cubic alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? 6. We know that sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? Minus b by a is equal to 6. Now I am doing what here? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx minus d is, what is the formula here? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. What is the value of b? That is coefficient of x square is what here? Minus 3x. That is b is equal to what? Minus 3x. And a is equal to what here? 2. Put the value in this equation, that is, here is also minus sign is there, here is also minus get cancelled. 3x divided by a means what? 2. That is equal to what? 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are. X is equal to 2 into 2 is what? 4. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. If a polynomial of degree 4 is divided, if a polynomial of degree 4 is divided by a quadratic polynomial, then the degree of the remainder is what? Less than or equal to 1. Remember this one. If a polynomial of degree 4, that is what? Biquadratic polynomial, is divided by what? Quadratic polynomial, then the degree of the remainder is what? Less than or equal to 1. A quadratic polynomial whose sum of the zeros is 2, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 2, and product of the zeros alpha into beta is equal to what? 1. So we know that x square minus into the bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, as it is. What is the value of alpha plus beta is what here? 2. X square, wait a minute, I want to rub this part. That is x square minus, what is the value of alpha plus beta is what? 2x plus alpha into beta is what? 1. So x square minus 2x plus 1. Which option is correct? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Question number 26. The sum and product of zeros of the polynomial 6x square minus 5u. Sum and product. So I am writing this equation in this manner. 6x square plus 0x minus 5 equal to 0, and below that I am writing here quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. What is the value of a here? 6. What is the value of b here? 0. What is the value of c here? What? Minus 5. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is 0 by 6 means what? 0 itself. And alpha into beta, product of zeros, is what? C by A. What is the value of C here? 0. A means what here? 6. 0 by 6 is what? Again it is 0. So we did, I think, any side mistake. Wait a minute. I want to check this one once again. Minus C by A. What is the value of C here? That is minus 5. We did the mistake here only. This is what? Minus 5 by 6. So here, is there any option? Alpha plus beta is what? 0. Here is also 0. And minus 5 by 6. This option D is correct for this one. Option D is correct. What should be subtracted from x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1 to get the what remainder? So here this one is what? Minus x cube. We are using minus x cube and this x cube cancel. And minus into minus, this is what? Plus 2x square. Plus 2x square minus 2x square cancel. This minus into plus 4x. This is what? Minus 4x. Minus 4x plus 4x. What is remaining here? 1. That is option D is correct. If you subtract from x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1 to get 1 is x cube minus x cube. Option A is correct. Option D is correct. All the terms will get cancelled and option D, only 1 is remains here. In the given figure, see here below, the number of zeros of the polynomial f of x is. See here, it cuts the what? X-axis at 3 points. If the curve or graph cuts the x-axis at any point, then that all the point of intersection or point that cuts on the x-axis are the what? Zeros of the polynomial. 1 point, second, third. 3 zeros of the polynomial. Now next, the graph of p of x. Here this one is what? Last one. The graph of p of x. See here, observe the graph and find the 0. Since the graph cuts the what? Y-axis, its 0 is what? Zeros of the polynomial is what? 0. In the second one, it cuts the what? Only 1 point because it has only 1 0. Here 0 zeros of polynomial. Here 1 0 because it cuts the x-axis only 1 point. Here it cuts the what? X-axis at a 3 point. This one, for this one graph, 3 zeros. And this one is what here? 2 zeros. In the fourth graph, 2 zeros of polynomial. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros of the polynomial because it cuts the what? X-axis at 4 points. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 zeros of the polynomial. So this is all about the what? Polynomial and its important MCQs. In the next video again we are going to learn the what? A different topic, that is areas related to circle. So keep watching my channel and please like, share and subscribe my channel so that these videos are very helpful for you to crack the what? TET and CET. So keep on watching our videos and share it as much as possible and like and subscribe. Thank you so much.